Hi there, welcome to today's video. I'm going to go to the local nature reserve, so come along and join me. So today I'm at Brereton Heath Nature Reserve. It's part of Cheshire East Council and I'm very lucky that it's only just a few miles away from where I live. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you will have seen that I've been to this location before, but that time I came with a landscape hat on. Today I'm going to see what wildlife I can photograph. If you are a recent subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell notifications to make sure that you get updated with all of my latest content. I'm already guaranteed to spot some ducks and some swans, but hopefully we might get a chance to see something else. If we don't, as always, as I always say, it's great to just get out and about with a camera and just be out in the open air. So I've come down to the edge of the water. You've just seen me put down a foam pad, which is a really good tip to keep in your rucksack in case you've got to sit on the ground. It just keeps yourself dry. But also, to get decent shots over water, you really need to get the camera as low as possible, and it just gets a more pleasing angle. I'm not going to stay at this location very long, but I thought, being as the sun was behind the birds that are just congregating here, I might get some quite good backlit shots. Clearly the birds are very used to people being about because there's dog walkers and all kinds of things all around, so they're very friendly. I think they're used to getting fed as well, so we've got no problem about them coming close. Almost straight after I'd said that the birds are friendly because people feed them, somebody came and fed them, and there was a big frenzy. But also, there was a lot of fish that came to the surface, and unfortunately I haven't got my polarizer with me, so I couldn't actually take very good shots of the fish in the water. Now, for those of you who are not aware, what a polarizer would do is cut out all the reflections of the light off the top of the water and allow you to see straight down to the bottom. It's a really clever bit of kit, and it's just a circular filter that goes on the front of the lens. Next time, maybe. Right, I am going to move on from this location because, as you can see, the sun's come out, and so it's really strongly backlighting the birds that are on the lake. So if I get around the other side, it'll probably give me some nicer, more pleasing shots. And I might see some other things on the way round. So I'm off for a walk. I have just seen and photographed a grebe, albeit a fairly rubbish photograph. I think I can improve on it. So I'm going to try and find a spot close to the pond where I can camp out a little bit and see if I can get a better shot of this grebe. Well, they always say, don't they, that you should be careful what you wish for, and round the next corner I find this ready-built hide. Well, it's more of a blind rather than a hide, but it's given me the chance to get a great shot of the grebe that I'll put up in a second. But this is a lovely place, and I've got some swans and some other birds just down here. I'm going to stay here for a while. I'll show you what I get. So I've moved around the lake. I was hoping to get the grebe from a different angle and with the light more falling onto the bird, but it seems to have disappeared at the moment. But I have got some nice shots of the swans from across the lake, a coot family that's been swimming around, and a moorhen has just swum past as well. So I've got quite a few nice shots from this location. Despite it being really busy around here with dog walkers and parents with children, it's still quite relaxing, just sat by the side of a pond photographing birds. It's just lovely, lovely way of spending your Saturday morning. But I'm going to go and have a wander around the rest of the lake now and see if I can see anything else. But if I don't get anything else today, I know I've got some good shots in the bag. That's been a really enjoyable morning, and I think I've probably got some quite good shots. Obviously I'll have to look at them again when I get them in the computer, but you should have seen them already. I hope you've enjoyed joining me today on my trip around Brereton Heath. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell notifications, then you won't miss any of my future content. From now on, I'm going to post every Sunday at 4 o'clock, so this will now be our regular slot. So don't forget to come and join me every week. If you do have any comments, I love hearing them. Drop them down below and I'll get back to you. But for now, stay safe and I'll see you soon. Welcome to day... Straight after I'd said the... Almost straight after I'd said that dog in the back. Dogs. I've managed to get what I think will be some quite... branch in my ear. I'm going to record this again.